Right guys, PSSD N1, let us look at figure 1. Figure 1. So the question for figure 1 read as follows. Figure 1, diagram sheet 1 attached shows the front view and incomplete top view of a cone. Draw it to a scale 1:2, the following in first angle orthographic projection. So we have to draw the front view, the top view, the left view, the true shape of the cut in the direction of the arrow A. So that's what we have to draw. So the left view, the top view, the front view, and the true shape in the direction A using a scale 1:2. Using a scale of 1:2. 1:2. This is it. So it's paying 15 marks. So let us do it. So now I will say 150. I want to start with the diameter, isn't it? So 150 divided by 2. So it's 75, isn't it? But this 75 is not according to it's only according to the scale, not as radius. So we are going to 75 divided by 2 again, so that now you open your drawing compass to 37.5. 37.5. Now take my drawing compass. 37.5, 35, 36, 37.5 is this one, is between 37 and 38. So you'd be advisable to draw your top view on your bottom, little bit right hand of your drawing sheet, so that you have enough space for your true shape, as well as enough space for your left view. So I decide to start here, so I can draw this one right here. It's the top view, and I draw it dark, right? Then from there, draw a horizontal and a vertical center line. Vertical center, and horizontal center line. Right. Then after I've drew them like this, so what's going to be my next step now? So have your question. So I'll project this point up, so that I approach towards to draw the front view. But then we separate our views with 20mm, isn't it? So now I am going to measure 20mm from here going up. That is it. Then from there I draw a faint line like this. Then from there take this one up, the circumferences of the circle up. Then from there till here is now solid. That's the bottom line of my front view. So from here till there. So now we are told, using a scale of 1:2. Remember, the scale was 1:2. Figure 1. Figure 1, 1:2. So we divide, right? Figure 1, it is the cone view of a cone and the complete top. I was looking for the word solid. Okay. So now let's get to the apex. So from here till there is 85 divided by 2. So 85 divided by 2, we are getting how much? 42.5. So the height is 42.5. That's 42 is between 42.5, between 42 and 43. So there it is. So I'll further extend it just a little bit. There it is. Then from there, that's my apex point, isn't it? This one. There's my apex point now. I can draw this one faint like this, and from here till there, faint again. That is it for now. Then now let's see what else do we have. We are having 62. So 62 divided by 2, 31. 62 divided by 2, that's 31, right? Then now we measure from here till here, 31 millimeter. 31 is this one, which is that one. Our 31 ending there. Then we set 80, 85 divided by 2, a 42.5, which is giving us our apex point. Okay, so now from there we are going to put angle 30 degrees, so that this one is automatically come out for itself from here till there. So angle 30 degrees, where at this point, not at the center, at that point now. So where your 30, where your 60, 2 divided by 2 is ending. So take your set square, which is this one. So there you go. That's how we're gonna get it. Before you even do that, firstly get it so that from here till there is what is that dimension. Actually from here till here is that dimension. So from this point, that's where we are going to put the angle, because we are told what this angle 30 is actually starting there, not here. Understand? So we are told what, because this dimension from here till here is shorter than from here till there. Or as you see, this is 62 is ending, it's actually starting from here till here. So that is why we had to get it like this. So now from here I can put angle 30 solid till down here. So which means now from here I can have the hidden one, then from here till there solid. Again the side from here till there, solid. Right, then once we are here, what is our next step? Remember, we have to show the true shape of the hole. Let's firstly complete the top view. So we are going to divide our circle into 12 equal parts. Divide our circle into 12 equal parts. Got two methods of dividing your circle into 12 equal parts. You can use the set squares, or you can use your drawing compass. There you go. There you go. Last one. There you go. Right, after you are done with that, we can say I've got a 0 here, right? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, back to 0 all together. Then from there we project them up, point 1 and point 11 sharing the same line in terms of their verticalness. Once they touch the bottom part of your front view, you stop there. Then point 2 with point 10, same line, I stop there. 4 and 8, 3 and 9, they're already there. There you go. This one, like this you go. Once they get there, I am going to take them to my apex point up there. Using my 30mm ruler. So this one, there it goes. You take them faint. There it goes. Then from here, this is it. From here, that is it. From here, that is it. Alright, then once we get here, what is expected us to do? Let us, from here till there, we are having a deviation of what? Of 20mm, isn't it? Let's get the half of it, which is 10mm. There is my 10mm. You understand? So there by my 10mm, I'll decide to put what? A line like this. So this line, I call it X. Right, so this point 0 there it goes. Once it touch there, it's gonna go to your what? To your apex point. So which means I've got a 0 here, I've got a 1 here, which is this one, 1 in line with what? With 11. This one from there, the 2 is right there in line with 10. So the 3 is right here, in line with what? With a with 9. So 4 in line with 8. Then 5 is that one, in line with 7. Then 6 on its own. So now what we're gonna do, we are going to project them vertically down to your top view. You understand? So let's start with a 0. We are completing the top view now. This is 0, so it must intersect with the 0 down there. So there it goes. Once it touch here, I can now stop. Once it touch here, so there it is. So I can stop. It's giving me a point there. Understand? So it's giving me a point there. Then after that, so we're going to point 1 from your top view, which is this one. Then gonna go down. It's gonna meet up with what? With point 1. So which is this one, and in line with 11. So there it is. Remember, it's not this one, but it's this one. So I made a mistake with this one. It's this other one. You understand? So not that one, but this one. You understand? So then, so what do we do now? Let's take point 2. Point 2. There it is now. Take it vertical. Point 2 in line with 10. So this is 2 in line with 10. right? 3 and 9, okay, you're gonna see it later. And then 4 and 8, so there it is, 4 and 8. This is 4 right here. This is the line 4, isn't it? So this is the line 8, 4, 4 in line with 8. So there it is. This is the point going to your apex point. So I've got a point there. So 5 from your top view. So there it goes, in line with what? In line with what? With 7. So there it is. This is my point 5 from your top, in line with 7. There it is. So point 6 on its own, there it goes. So which means I've got a point there, 6. So which means 3, 9 supposed to be somewhere here, 3 supposed to be somewhere here, there. Then now you take your flexi curve, you join these points of yours. These points of yours. So, or else you can use freehand like me. So that's how we are getting the shape of the hole there by your top view. So then you section it. So but we are going to section them later. So now let's follow it by what? The true shape of the hole. The true shape of the hole. So how are we going to get the true shape of the hole? So we are going to get it like this, by taking these lines, these points, the true shape of the hole. So remember they said show it at this direction A. You see this A, yeah? So and we are not given the what, the angle of the A, which means we are going to take lines that they will be perpendicular against what, this cutting plane. They will have to be perpendicular against perpendicular line. You know, they give you at 90 degrees. So which means if we say 90 minus 30 degrees, 90 degrees minus 30 degrees, we are getting 60. So which means these lines that we are going to project them going this direction, they must be at an angle of 60 degrees. How together? How like this? So now let's start with the 0. Understand? Start with the 0. This is 0, eh? So at an angle of 60. There you go. And followed by 1 and 11. There you go. Followed by 10 and 2. There they go. 3 and 9. We draw that one as such as center line, so that I know that I've got 3 lines before the center line, 3 lines after the center line. You understand? We are not drawing the development here. So you must understand the question. What are they asking you to do? So this is 4, where is 5? 5 and 7, this is it. The last one, which is 0.6. Right. Then now from here, then I'll have a line by the name ZZ this side. So anything above this line ZZ, it has to be recorded. So right from using what, my XX, you understand? So now to get that, how are we going to do it? We are going to make use of what, of point, the line ZZ. How? Place your drawing compass along. We are starting at what, at 0, eh? So we'll be placing our drawing compass along this XX line of ours. Further, extend it to the point that we are looking for there by our top view. So we are looking for point 0. So this is the line for 0. There it is. This is your 0, isn't it? So which means place your drawing compass here, further extend to point 0. So this is it. My 0 is this one, which is the center, isn't it? So this is it. Without disturbing your drawing compass, you come, you place it along your ZZ line here, then I mark there. So I mark, this is my 0. We are showing the true shape of the hole. So after 0 there is point what? There is point 1. So now if we are looking for point 1, we come back to our XX line there by your top view. You place it where now? Because this is point 1. Remember, this is your 0, the point 1 that we are looking for. We are looking for the point 1, the upper one. So you place, this is the line of 1. You place it here, further extend to this point. This is it, to the point, which is point 1. Now without disturbing your drawing compass, you go until you touch the cutting plane, come to your what? To your ZZ line. So I mark, this is my point, this is my point 1. So now point 2, remember the point 2, this is 1, let me name them, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. At the point that we are taking the upper points. Why I'm saying upper, because they are here, you understand, they are not the bottom one, they are up there. So now point 2, we are looking for point 2. Remember that we've already have point 1, we've already have point 0 and point 1 there by our true shape side. So the point that we're looking for is point 2 now. So to get that point 2, come you use, this is the line of point 2. This is the line of point 2. Remember, it's this one, isn't it? So you place it where? Here, at this point. The point 2 that we're looking for. Not this one. This one is the outer one. So this one is the inner upper one. So it's the one that we're looking for. So I'm going to place it here, further extend it to point 2, which is this one. Now without shifting, go up. There you go, there you go. Once you touch there, you come, you place it along your ZZ line. This is it. Then you mark there. Right, this is point 2. Then point 3, which is your center. It's this one. 3. There you go. Further extend it to point 3. Now trace it, there you go, there you go. Once you touch there, go to your ZZ, press it here, then point 3, which is your center, point 3. Then point 4. Point 4 along your what? Your XX. Remember, this is point 4, not this one. This one gave you this one. So this is the line of point 4. You place it here, further extend it to point 4. This is it, to 4, isn't it? Now trace it up, you go up. Once you touch the cutting plane, go to your ZZ, go to your ZZ. Now you place it here, then you mark at line 4. Then you mark at line 4, you place it here, there is your point 4. So to get point 5, remember the 5, not this one, but that one. You understand? So this is the line 5. So which means I'm going to place it along my XX. Yeah? Along my XX, further extend to point 5. This is 5 that I'm looking for. Place it here. Extend it to 5. This is 5. Now There you go. There you go. Once you touch the cutting pen, come this side, then I place it right here, then I mark. This is going to be my 0.5. Then 0.6, go back to your to your XX line, you place it. This is 0.6. Remember, it's the last line. Which one is this one? There it goes, isn't it? It's the last one. So you place it here along your XX line, further extended to 0.6. Any line behaving horizontal, we can give it a name as XX, isn't it? So this is it. Without shifting your compass, is the last one. There you go. There you go. Now I can place it here and mark 0.6. And what we will understand is that 0.6, they must be in the same line with what? With 0.0 when you put angle 30 degrees. So there is my 0.6. You understand? So 0.7 in line with what? With 0.5, which means we'll be using the same line of what? Of 5. So now go back to your top view XX line. So this is the line of 5 and 7, isn't it? Place it here, but now you further extend it to 0.7, not 0.5 anymore. 0.7, which is this one. Right? Then from there, trace it. There you go. Go up. Once you touch the cutting plane, change direction. Then you place it here at your Z set. Then you mark. That's going to give you 0.7. That's your 7. That's your 7 right there. So now to get 0.8, you go back to your top view XX. So 0.8 is in line with what? With 0.4. So you place it there, here, where you were placing it when you're looking for 0.4. So now, but we're looking for 0.8, further extend to 0.8, which is this one. So now go up, pass it your bottom line of your front view, cutting plane, go change direction at a line of 4. This is 4, isn't it? This is 4. So now you place it here, then you mark here. So that's gonna give me 0.8. So this one is 0.8. Then 0.9 in line with 3 along my XX line. This is it. Further extended to 0.9. This is it. Then now, which is the center, there you go. From there I place it here, then from there I mark. This is going to give me my 0.9. So this is 0.9. Then after gotten 0.9, we're gonna get 0.10. 0.10 is in line with 0.2, which is this one. Now place it here along your XX. 0.10 further extend to 0.10, which is this one. Now trace it. There it goes. Top view, front view. Once you touch the line off at an angle of 30 cutting plane, you go to your Z set, you place it here, then give it a mark on the side. So that's gonna give you 0.10. So 0.11 is in line with 0.0. So this is not 0.0, 0.1. So this is 0.1. So you place it here, isn't it? Along your XX, further extended to 0.11 that you are looking for, which is this one. This one. Now, without disturbing your drawing compass, you trace it. There it goes. From here, goes to your ZZ line. Place it here, then give it a mark there. So this is going to be 0.11. So 0.12 in line with 0.0. So then you can have the shape of the hole now. There you go. Freehand or using a flexi curve.